How to clean cache on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clean cache on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find the storage, and here you will find cleanup. Click on it, and as you see here you will find junk files. Now click on it and then just click delete, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it. Now cache have been cleaned, and that's how to clean cache on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.